In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your PS5 if it is overheating. Sometimes you get an error message on the screen telling you the system is too hot. Other times, you do not get a message at all and it just turns off by itself. The main solution is to open up your PS5 and clean out all the dust. Some people need to do this every 6 months depending on how dusty their room is. Before we open it up, let us cover 3 easy fixes that do not require opening the console. First, check if your PS5 is plugged into a power strip like mine is right here. Turn off your PS5 completely and plug it directly into a wall socket instead. Power strips can cause issues when the console demands a lot of power at peak times. If it is already plugged into the wall, try using a different wall outlet nearby. If those simple steps did not solve the issue, we need to boot into safe mode. To enter safe mode, turn off your PS5 and wait until the lights are fully off. Locate the power button on the front of the console. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 distinct beeps. You will hear the first beep right away and the second beep a few seconds later. Release the button after the second beep sounds. Connect your controller using the standard USB charging cable directly to the PS5. Press the PS button on your controller to open the menu. Select the option that says Update System Software. Then select Update using Internet and wait for it to check for updates. If an update is available, click Update to start installing it. A software update can fix overheating if the issue was caused by poor fan control settings. The update process usually takes around 5 minutes to finish. Do not touch or unplug anything while the update is installing. If the problem persists, boot back into safe mode. Select the option for Rebuild Database instead of updating. This process usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes to complete. The console will restart on its own once the database is rebuilt. If none of those software tricks worked, it is time to clean the fan. Turn off the console and unplug every cable from the front and back. If you are using the official base stand, make sure to detach it now. Place the console down with the PS logo facing up on the left side. Hold the bottom base of the PS5 firmly with one hand. Grasp the top plate near the corner with your other hand. Pull the panel slightly up and slide it toward the right side until it pops off. Flip the console over to remove the bottom side panel. Hold the main chassis firmly and pull up on the corner of the second panel. Slide it toward the right side with a bit of firm pressure until it detaches. Now you will see 4 screws holding the metal fan cover in place. These are Torx 8 screws, so make sure you have the right screwdriver bit. Peel back the flexible plastic trim piece hiding the screws from view. Remove all 4 screws and keep track of where each screw belongs. Lift off the metal fan cover to expose the cooling fan. Remove the small plastic piece that covers the fan wire connection point. Carefully pull up on the plastic cover to detach it from the sticky tape. Gently wiggle the fan wire connector until it disconnects from the board. Lift the fan straight up and remove it from the console chassis. Look inside the fan slot toward the internal heatsink fins. Dust easily accumulates on these fins and blocks proper airflow to the console components. Use a can of compressed air to blow the dust out of the heatsink fins. Hold a vacuum nozzle near the opening to catch any flying dust particles. Wipe down all accessible interior surfaces using a clean microfiber cloth. Now it is time to clean the fan blades thoroughly. Use compressed air to blow away loose dust while holding the fan blades steady. Use a soft toothbrush to gently scrub away stuck-on dust from every blade. Wipe down each fan blade with a microfiber cloth to get it completely clean. Vacuum around the outer casing to pick up any remaining loose dust particles. Place the fan back into position with the wire pointing toward the connector port. Thread the wire through the small channel and plug the connector back in firmly. Reattach the metal grill cover and tighten all 4 Torx 8 screws into place. Press the plastic trim piece back down until the clips lock in place. Line up the side panel tabs with the matching slots on the console. Press down and slide the panel to the left until you hear a clear click. Flip the console over and repeat the same process for the other side panel. Attach your stand and plug all your power and display cables back into the console. Thanks for watching this guide on TechVibes. If this video helped you fix your system, please hit the like button. Drop a comment down below to tell us if your PS5 is running cool again. Do not forget to subscribe to TechVibes for more tech tutorials and tips.